What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create modern polygon gradient logo in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to hit on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create modern polygon gradient logo in. First step to take is to go to your tools bar right here and make sure you choose your polygon tools. Click and hold down and choose polygon. So having chosen your polygon tools, and then you have to come to the home tab right here. Make sure you type in 6 right here. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to come to the workspace and press Ctrl key down to draw a perfect polygon shape. Then you can press P to centralize. Next thing you need to do is to drag your ruler, both vertical and horizontal, and snap to the center. Okay, so next step to take is to go back to your tools bar again. And this time around, you still need to choose your polygon shape. Then right here, you have to come to the home tab right here and make sure you type in 3 here. And then you have to come to the workspace, press Ctrl key down to draw a perfect triangle. This time around, you have to press P to centralize. Next thing you need to do is to double click on this rectangle, and it brings out a rotation pane. Then you have to come to the home tab right here. Right here, you need to type in 90 degree and press enter key on your keyboard. You are going to have stuff like this. So the next thing you need to do is to come to the home tab right here, go to window. Then from window, you have to look for Dockers. Then from Docker, you have to go to look for corners. Then from the point here, you need to type in 30. And then just click on apply. Boom. Then you have to press P to centralize. So next thing you need to do is to close up the transformation. Then you have to select the triangle again and press P to centralize. So next thing you need to do is to corner the edge of this polygon. So you have to go back to window, Dockers, then you have to look for corner. So this time around, you have to come here and type in 60. Then click on apply. Good. So next thing you need to do is to go back to your tools bar. But before that, you have to close up the corner effects. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is to press Ctrl plus to zoom out the entire workspace and press letter H to move to the free hard move tool, so we can drag the logo shape into the center page. Next thing you need to do is to go back to your tools bar right here and make sure you choose 2 line point curve. Then you have to stand from any angle and press Shift key down and draw a very perfect one like this. Next thing you need to do is to double click the stroke and snap to the center of the shape. Then you have to go back to your window. From window, you have to go to Docker. Then from Docker, you have to go to transform. Right here, you need to make sure you type in 120, and then this is check, which is rotate. Then right here, you make sure you type in 3 and click on apply. So you're going to have stuff like this. So you can fall back to this shape right here and press down Ctrl key and drag, then snap to the edge of this shape. So you can come back to transform window and close up. Next thing you need to do is to delete all the ruler. So for you to do that, you have to right click on the ruler and choose delete. Then you come back to the vertical ruler, right click on the ruler and then choose delete. Next thing you need to do is to fill your shape with your smart fill tool. So you have to come down below right here and click and hold down and choose smart fill. You have to fill from any point, starting from the point here and here. Once you're done, you have to press Shift key on your keyboard and select the second shape, select the third shape, and drag the logo shape out. Next thing you need to do is to come down below here to right click. This allows you to remove stroke. So next thing you need to do is to select everything, all the logo shape, and press delete key on your keyboard. You can press P to centralize the original logo shape. So for you to do that, you have to press Shift key and select the second shape, Shift key and select the third shape, then Ctrl J to group them all together, and P to centralize. So you can press Ctrl minus to zoom in. Next thing you need to do is to apply color to your logo. Before you do that, you just have to ungroup all the elements. So having ungrouped all the elements, you have to fall back to the logo shape. Next thing you need to do is to come down below here. This time around, you have to choose your interactive fill. Having chosen your interactive fill tools, you have to make sure you choose your fonting. Then this time around, I'm going to copy from existing color. So the color I use right here is navy blue and cyan. So I'm going to copy the same as this. Good. So I'm going to select the third one, then copy. Good. Next thing I'm going to do is to select everything, then press Ctrl J to group. So I'm going to go back to my toolbar right here, select a circle, and draw circle at the bottom. So I'm going to fill it with black. Then I'm going to go back to my transparent, fontaine, and elliptical. Then have to press Shift key and select the logo shape. Have to select all the logo shape and press Ctrl J to group. Then Shift key and select the shadow, then letter C. This allows you to align to vertical center. So for your front arrow key, you can just tap and move the shadow into the logo at the bottom. So this is how you can create a realistic 3D logo with polygon and gradient step-by-step tutorial. If you find value for this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. I hope you guys find value. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.